Today, me and little sister were not gonna talk to each other, we're just gonna type on Roblox. So, hi, and she wrote this nostril. So, guys, like and sub if you like it, and comment down which one is your favorite word. Some people have favorite words. My favorite word is food.
What should I play?
I'm really texting you. Hi. Hi. Hi.
I'm going to.
Don't text me if you. Don't talk to me if.
Are you the one on the top?
Yeah. Okay, the game is starting now. Not talking to each other. That's the one rule. Okay. Wait, pause. I want to say you can talk to the viewers and the subscribers, but not me, okay? You know what? I'm just gonna say. I'm the. Okay, I'm just gonna say yeah.
Little, what can I say? Little, how do we spell a hi? Hi? Hi?
I think that's how you say mess. I forgot how to say mess.
Little, what did I say hi to? Little, can I see my little, everything is actually on the control.
If gonna clap in the taxi going to do.
I'm not gonna text anymore.
Okay, I guess this is the end of the vid. Now, see ya.